Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do the unboxing and quick review of all these are the luxury beauties. I have one box from Dior here, one package of Dior here, and one bag of the Chanel over here. These are all holiday collection and gift collection that you guys also can find on their website. Let's get started with Dior. I ordered this online and they have variety of selection, and I choose the gift package that comes with a pouch because I really love the pouch design this year. And also I never own any of the skincare, so I choose the collection with combination between both. So here comes the packaging, and it's so luxury. I really love the way that this comes in. So here is the receipt. Now let's open this. I really like the packaging this year. As you see, is in gold tone, and I love Dior gift package. The design every year are different. Here we go. It's so pretty, guys. This is so pretty. And let's take a look at the inside. You will notice I use this when I doing what's in my bag, and I use it in 001. And this is a new thing that I never used before. This is the hand cream from Dior, and you can also use on your hand, your lips, and body as well. So I think it's something like portable, and this look really cute. So I chose the serum and total up two perfume. One is Chador and another one is Miss Dior. Let's move on to the next Dior before we move on to the Chanel later. This is the products. So this is Dior Rouch, Dior Forever Liquid. So it's a liquid lipstick that I wanted to buy for quite some times, and it's look like this. So pretty. I gotta insert the house light on my lips as well. And this is the orange nude. It's a deep nude in the orange tone or the warm tone. Is also feel very comfortable on the lips because I tried this in the store already. Last but not least, we have Chanel here. The first items is this tint. So is it water fresh tint from the Libby's collection. I have been wanting this tint for quite some time. Something that to replace my foundation that is not too thick, but however very lightweight for the day that I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. It's really lightweight, and it very gives some glow, subtle glow to the skin as well. Like it's not like a mattify or dry out your skin, but it's kind of moisturize and hydrate your skin. And the shade I'm using is in medium. Next I have liquid lipstick. This one is a matte liquid lipstick, which is something like what I buy from Dior, but this one is in a shade light brown, 182. This one is one of the best seller from Chanel. The shade that I have is in 182, which is light brown. I'm gonna show you how I apply on my lips, and it comes with two applicators. One is a lip colors and the other side is a lip gloss to add some shiny to the I can show you here as well. So this one is a lip liquid, and the other side is the lip gloss, which is transparent that you can put on top, apply on top of your lips. Next are the holiday collection. I have two things here that they come up during these holidays. So one is the illuminator. It's like a highlight, which they only have it for this year. So it comes in the luxury velvet pouch like this. Then this one is the illuminator, or is a highlighter. She's very pretty. I saw it online and I feel like, oh my god, this one, I need to have it. And once you press this, the inside look like very nice, very luxury. This one is a highlighter in two-tone. One is like light gold and then it's a rose gold inside. I'm gonna have a zoom in for you so that you guys can see it clearly. And this one is very glittering, so that means it's perfect for events and all that. So you will see when I swatch it, it's super highly pigmented. It's very shiny. I don't know whether, I think the camera can able to reflect this. You will see the shiny effect on my hand. It also comes with this small brush that comes together with this illuminator or the highlighter. And last but not least, we have this nail color in the shade White Seal 167 that comes out during this holiday time. It is in the shade of like ivories, or it's not white, it's ivories in my opinion. I plan to buy this since the time that I saw this, so I think it looks very pretty. And I will show you the colors on how it look like on my hands. So I think it's gonna be a subtle white shade, but it's not like a pure white, like pure snow white like this white, but it's more like have a yellowish tone, a cream yellow cream tone into it. And that's about it today. I hope you like this video and the review unboxing of the Chanel and Dior Beauty. Please don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.